Hi guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I did this look. I'm going to put the link down below to what I was inspired by, but there is a website and I think it's called like bjdolls.com, where they actually hand make dolls and they kind of like detail the makeup and everything, and I just kind of went off of that for this look. And I used it using the Oh Honey Sugarpill x Trixie Mattel palette. This is limited edition. It's actually out right now, and I got this a few days ago and I finally got the chance to really play with it for this look for you guys today. This video is not sponsored. They just went ahead and they sent this palette to me a few days ago. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this out. Now, just to let you guys know, I did use everything on this palette, but I did add some other Sugarpill shadows into the mix just for this look specifically. So I hope that you do like it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the look.